Hi friends, today I am going to take class about how to create a custom relationship between two objects. As we know that creating a fields is easy by selecting a field step, view field step and relation. Moreover, in my case I have a records, that means I have some particular records in my parent and some particular record in my child. If so, I have to create relation between the two objects. I will show you now. What was the requirement means. I will show you. I have an object A and another object B. In this I have three records. In this I have 6 or 10 more than records. Now I am planning to create a relationship between, that means master detailed relationship between these two objects. As of we know that in master detailed relationship, where in the time of creation, in the time of MD creation, child have child does not contains any record. If it's so, it is easy to create a master detailed relationship between the object. That means what I am saying here, I am saying no records means it is easy to create a master relationship by creating like view fields normal mode. But in my case, it has 3 records and 6 records. Now, if you try to create a custom object relation, it throws error, could not create already 5 records or exists in the child object. Sorry. So in this case, I am showing to use how to make a custom relationship between, that means master detailed relationship between the two objects having a records before. Just follow the things. Consider create. Already I just created. I'm just gonna create a new tab called new object, new custom object. Now here I'm going to give compliance. Compliance, compliant, and then open a standard salesforce contest name, text, compliance name. I have to, I hope you know how to create an object. I'm just creating object. Just I need a tab, so I'm just creating a new tab. So I'm just clicking yes. I'm just selecting a icon box. Okay, and then next, default on. I required this as my school. Okay, I'm just selecting only school and management. Okay, because it is a management, so it may future it can be useful to me. So I'm just creating that. Okay, completed. I'm just clicking on compliance. I'm creating two more fields. I'm not creating that much. B fields. Okay, custom relation new. I'm just creating only one for to shorten my video. I'm just creating only one field, that is text. And means text name is complaint means issue on. I'm just giving it size as 20. I'm making it is mandatory. Okay, let's see. Because only one field, so I just want to make it mandatory. Next, save completed. Again, I'm planning to create a new object. Before that, I will create a one record here. New. Mm, issue on explains good, and just saved out the record. Okay, now you can see the record. Okay, let's see how to set up. I just want to make another tab called create objects, new custom object, field name, what should we give? Complaint. No. HM. Otherwise, management. Management. Control C. Again. Control V. Management. Open text. I need this for to launch. I just want to make another field. Management. Bell. Next. Just don't be at bored up. It's important. Include. No, I don't want to include everything, right? I just want to my custom fields. Save. Okay, completed. I have no records in my custom field. And what I just want to create one relational field called view fields. See, new custom. I'm gonna select. First, I just want to select one is called text. Next, field I put name, length 10. You just raise this. Always required value. Okay. Next, save new because I just want to new thing called, and then number. Rate. I just want one is enough. Next, sorry, again I have to give authentication to everyone. Okay, save. Now what I have to do, I will create a relation to management from complaints. That means I just want to make a custom relation, master detailed relationship in management to from complaints. That means master detailed relationship of management act as child and complaints is a thing. Okay, what I will do, management fields, because you might see right no record, so I can easily create a column new master detail. Yes, from where I have to give complaint. This is a parent and this is a child. Field complaint Okay, I'll just next, next. If I click yes, it saves the record. See, it saved out. I will show you. See, you will get a master. This is a button. This is a. It will read to complaint space. See, it will redirect to complete space. I have only one record called Lakshmi Deepak. So, what I have to do, I will delete now this thing. What I will do, I will delete this complaint relation. Yes, delete. Now you won't get. Okay, see, what I will do here. Management AO name Lakshmi rate 4. What I will do, I will save out another thing. If I try to create again, I am just trying to. I just created one record called AO. What I will do now, again view fields. Now I will create an object called relationship object management. If I select master detail, see, because if we want to create a master detail relationship, the child do not contain that. Not supposed to have any records. Minimum, the less number must be contained, that is 0. No other more than that. Then only it is possible to create a master detailed relationship directly. Otherwise, you can't. See, yes. Next, next. See here. You cannot create a new master detailed relationship on an existing object if the records already exist. You must create a lookup. See, now what you have to do? We have to create a lookup first. How to create a lookup? See, we have another called lookup. Next, and then complaint. Next, is it right? Next, complaint. Next, next, next. See, and the point you have to remember is we can able to convert. We can able to convert lookup relationship to MD relationship, but have to one important note. Every record should contain valid lookup relationship with parent child with every field. That means in lookup relationship it is not mandatory that you have to select a record from parent, but if you want to convert, that means if you are willing to convert from lookup to master detail relationship, it is mandatory you have to contain valid relationship, that is valid record from parent to child of records. See here. Now what I will do, I will create a, I am just creating a new, right? I am just opening AO. See, I don't want to do. I will create a new record. What I will do here, I will select objects, and then now my management, right? Edit. Sorry. Don't fear. I will show you now how to fields. What I will do, you will do here complaint lookup, right? Just edit, and you have the option called change type, change field type, and just select master. Just press enter, and then click save. Again, you will get a records. Could not create master. At least it contains a relationship, right? So it shows what you have to click AO master, the record from a management, and then edit, because it is past we created, but we don't have any proper. See, now we have to give lookup, save. What I will do, I will go back. That means previous step. Now I will save. Updating record. So lookup has been created. You will see here now. See, it is mandatory. Now it's converted to okay. Even if you want to convert from master detail to a previous detailed relationship, it is easy. It is not that much of work. You can do it easily. See here. View fields. What I will do, that means you can see here, right? It is complaint is mandatory here. That means it is a master detailed relationship. If it is lookup, it is not mandatory. Now I will convert again to this. That just click on edit again in the lookup tip, change field type. Just select lookup and hit a next, and then click save. Updating records. Now see, if I select again, that means if I reload, see, complaint has been. This is how the lookup has been converted. You can able to convert directly from. You can able to convert a relationship from master data relationship to lookup relationship directly by changing the field method, but it is mandatory while converting. You have to remember every lookup record have a relation, at least valid relation to a parent object, then only able to convert from lookup to master, because in lookup the relation is not mandatory. That means this is not mandatory, it is optional, but in master detail it is mandatory, that we know. So we have to give valid response, the valid relation from child to parent is called, then you can say this is called conversions. Thanks for watching. If you like my tutorial, just subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you.